not that. But it was I was very happy with it, and almost everybody said मेरी डेटें ले ली गई थी, and then suddenly there is no call coming from Mr. Boni Kapoor's office, and then I called up Javed Saab. I said, Javed Saab, क्या हुआ वो phone? हाँ पता नहीं क्या देखते हैं. So I knew there was something wrong. So then I discovered that they have taken Mr. Amrish Puri for that role. I was very devastated. I was very upset. And then once we were shooting for Lamhe in London, then by the time we had become thick friends, I said, यार तुम्हारी पिक्चर मेरे को मोगेम्बो का रोल क्यों नहीं मिला? कहता मैंने निकलवाया था तेरे को. Literally like this, मैंने निकलवाया था, और proudly. But strangely, when I saw Mr. India, I have to be honest, I thought Mr. Amrish Puri was phenomenal, and nobody could replace him in that interpretation of the character. A person that takes over.
See, there are certain roles and certain characters which Arnold Schwarzenegger did. I cannot do the Stallone films like
Rambo.
मैं किस एंगल से रैम्बो लगता हूँ आपको? जी, मैं बोलूँ कि मैं उसको इंटरप्रिटेशन ऐसा दूंगा, मैं शेक्सपियर करूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा. But I have this limitation.
अभी मेरी
there are certain roles which need to. Sometimes if you don't get a role, you should never get disappointed. Because the director, or the writer might feel that you are performed well. आपने अच्छा काम किया, but physically you're not right for that role. There are certain times when an inferior actor is taken for a role because that person looks like that character.
Correct.
तो उसमें आपको कभी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं होना चाहिए. वो डायरेक्टर का उसका विजन ऐसा है कि उसको ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये फिजिकल प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए उसको. So there are certain roles which more than an actor, if he's a competent actor is fine, but physically he's so right for the role, and so that's I think one of the reasons which went in favor of Amrish ji, and including and I gave them the example of, because Spielberg had just casted him for
Indiana Jones.
I said he's come all the way from Hollywood and casted Amrish ji because of the way because of the physical appearance. You need that physical. We needed someone with that physical appearance to look towering and looking, that kind of person, because he had certain kind of features and voice and everything which was
I still feel sad about it.
Yeah. I still feel sad.
Sir, I just would like to ask you that could you just suggest any 2 tools actually to become a professional actor?
2 tools?
Yeah.
I think I just mentioned to you, I think your emotional senses, your emotional memory. You should always, it's very, very important. All those the emotional memory, how to use that as a tool. I think whatever you have gone through in your life, and what have you seen, learned, felt, not only you, your mother, your father, your uncle, your friend, your countrymen, anybody, just whatever you absorbed emotionally and stored it in your reservoir of which is there inside your entire being, how to use it. That's, you should know how to use that. Of course, there is a method to that, because you have to reach to that level, how to use that. But I feel that's very, very important. I'm sure when you must be doing action, you must be starting with action problem, right? You start with action problem, and then you'll go to improvisation, then character improvisation. How does it go here?
We do in a different manner. We start with the physical exercise. We do it with yoga, martial arts.
Correct.
Then different teachers do speech classes. Then Yash Raj takes acting. That's our most senior acting teacher, Yash Raj ji. सुशील जी इनके साथ हैं, परेश जी यहीं पर हैं कहीं.
So you all start straight with lines when you scenes करते हैं. पहले you all start with you start immediately with improvisation, or you first all do action problems. Like action problem is without the lines. When you do certain scenes where there are not much you can speak, but you convey. And then you go
like
to
games. We call them games.
Games,
we call them
okay.
theatre games.
Theatre
but
games.
that's a different terminology.
Okay. And then, of course, then there is improvisation, which is that you make your own situation, and then and then of course after that you go into character improvisation, and then you go into scenes.
Yeah.
I think scenes is something which comes last, because you have from the bottom to there you reach from the games to the improvisation to character improvisation. From there slowly you learn all the tools, and then you get into.
We also end up with a performance, theatre performance.
Theatre performance.
We
yeah.
do. We end up their diploma course after they perform for an invited audience.
So for coming to your point, I think that is a very important tool which I have always used in my performances, and of course is the other physical things, and which are very natural of as an actor is that you being physically you have to be and mentally be very fit, mentally and physically. That's because this is our machinery. हम लोग का कोई office नहीं है, factory नहीं है, bank, all our bank balance, everything is our body and our senses. So you have to take care of that. These are very, very important. That how you take care of it. These, so I think that's the most important thing. And the emotional memory, and of course the other physical things are there, like your lines and dialogues, and there are various aspects are there in a craft. So I can't say that these are my two favorite tools.
Correct.
What would you be your favorite two?
No, I think the same thing. I think the body and the voice is the tool, and the third is the emotional memory.
Yeah.
You have to live every moment. I always tell them that there's an actor in you which you have to keep outside, who will keep observing you throughout. Like I'm using my hand, the actor in me is noticing it, and this is what I'm doing, and that it's a 24-hour job. It may not appear. That's why people say actors थोड़े सरके होते हैं, because they are in their job constantly. Last question, please. Yes, I'll give you. Yes.
I would do ask.
No, I think my concentration at the moment is on them. So for that, you have to meet me separately.
Yes, please.
Anilji, will you be ever making the sequel or part 2 of Mr. India?
Definitely, yeah.
What about South Hindustani?
Yeah, I think that's a project which my daughter is producing, and she's the right person to answer that.
What we'll do is after this for 10 minutes we will I'll leave Mr. Kapoor with you people, but I think we should end this session, and I want to thank Anil for being part of this. I think it's been we've known each other for many years, but today I got to know about his thoughts so with crystal clarity, and all of us have learned a lot. Thank you, Mr. Kapoor, for coming here.
And thank you so much for this wonderful. I think one of the I think
तो आपको फोटोग्राफ कुछ लेना ले लीजिए, फिर उसके बाद
स्टैंडिंग में।
हाँ स्टैंडिंग में, हाँ जी।
कहाँ खड़े हैं?
राही सर अनिल जी हो गया। चलो बोलो सर अरे यार छी ये लोग को